In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect earphones to your iPhone 12 mini. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect any type of earphones that you have to your iPhone 12 mini. First, I'm going to teach you how to connect standard AirPods and use them completely wirelessly, and then I'm going to talk about other alternative methods that might help if you have different models of earphones. So for the AirPods, it's as simple as opening the lid. So you will be able to open the lid on your AirPods case, and immediately upon putting them in close proximity of your iPhone 12 mini, they will be detected and completely usable. So you just have to follow the instructions on screen. They are the easiest one to set up by far. Now, if you have a set of Bluetooth wireless earphones, then you will be able to set them up by going over to the Bluetooth settings on the iPhone, enabling Bluetooth, and putting the earphones into pairing mode. Sadly, this is going to differ for every single model of earphones. For the AirPods, you just press the button available on the case, press and hold for a few seconds, and they will go into pairing mode. However, if you have an alternative model of earphones from a different manufacturer, this is going to differ. So you have to read up on the instructions on how to set your specific pair of earphones into pairing mode, but usually it's going to be done by pressing and holding a specific physical button. Once your earphones are in pairing mode, you can choose them from under the list of available Bluetooth devices, and once paired, you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on your iPhone through the earphones. Alternatively, if you have ones with a wired connection, it's as simple as plugging them directly into the port available on the iPhone 12 mini. You will be able to purchase them usually with Lightning connectors because you won't have access to the 3.5mm audio jack on most iPhone models. So all that you have to do is plug your earphones through the Lightning connector or do it wirelessly through Bluetooth, whatever you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect earphones to iPhone 12 mini. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.